Welcome, Read Aloud Adventurers! Today we will be learning about how to use our manners at school. It's very important to have manners at school because it means we can stay safe and learn better. Let's get started and see how we can make sure to use our good manners at school. Manners at School by Carrie Finn. Illustrated by Chris Lynch. Your school is a busy place. Using good manners can make it nicer for everyone. Good manners can also help everyone learn. Good manners show respect for teachers and classmates. There are lots of ways you can use good manners at school. Olivia gets to class on time each day. She always says, "Good morning, Miss Martin." She is using good manners. Arnold gives his full attention to his teacher's directions. He is using good manners. When her teacher asks the class to be quiet during a movie, Madeline stops talking to her friends. She is using good manners. Paul keeps his eyes on his own work. He never peeks at his neighbor's paper. He is using good manners. Alan and Corey stand in line quietly before recess. They are using good manners. Jamie cleans up her table after art class. She is using good manners. Owen raises his hand to ask his teacher a question. He is using good manners. Dot shares her colored pencils with Alexandra. She is using good manners. Marco finishes his math test before his classmates do. He asks the teacher if he may borrow a book during his free time. He is using good manners. It's important to use good manners whenever you are in class. Good manners keep the classroom running smoothly. Thanks for listening to the story today, friends. Let's remember to always use good manners at school. Parents and teachers, check out and download the free printable activity worksheet that goes along with this book. Link down below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the like button. And then come back again soon for another Read Aloud adventure.